So I was going through the comment on my last video where I talked about how somebody was explaining what his boss was doing to him. And somebody went on that and he made a long write-up, and he was basically trying to explain what happened. And he said something about he was learning from a quack photographer. And when I heard that word, a quack photographer, I thought about the whole thing over again. For now, you are calling the photographer a quack. But I feel like for you to go to somebody and tell the person you want to learn from the person, you actually like what the person was doing. So you actually loved his pattern of pictures then, before you started seeing that some other persons could do better. Now you're calling him a quack. But don't forget that the first time you went to him because you wanted to learn from him. So no matter how it is, whether he's a quack or not, take it or leave it, you must have learned something from him. So I don't feel like it's right for you to come to the social media and call him a quack. Maybe you were trying to explain it in some other way, but the word quack for that photographer is bad. Some photographers are better than others. Yes, even the people that are calling themselves photographers, some of them are cameramen, but they are calling themselves photographers because that is the name everybody wants to answer now. That doesn't change them from being a low budget photographer or whatever. But please don't use quack for your boss.